Brand new 75 plate BMW X5 isn't going anywhere. It's not going to let us select a gear, even though we've got the key, we've got the vehicle running, because it's protected with a Halo Mini. So to drive this, we have a simple code. We receive that flash from the full beam, we can select our gear, and the vehicle can be driven. When we turn it off, it activates straight away. And even if someone grabbed the key as soon as you got home, tried to steal your vehicle, they'll get it started, but they'll be unable to pop it into a gear because they don't have your code. So we pop our code in, receive that flash, allows us to select a gear and drive away. This is the brand new 75 plate hybrid BMW X5 protected with a Halo Mini Immobiliser. To get one of these fitted, give us a call on 0208 212 7393. This only has 10 miles. Customers literally just picked it up and they wanted it secure in case someone grabs the key or does a relay attack. Our number is 0208 212 7393. Thanks for watching.